Good morning students. This video is about the atavism. Okay, atavism is, you have seen in the movies also. Okay, the concept is which is regarding which is shown in the movie, in the Tamil movie, like Ela Mari. The same thing, and the movie or concept, this concept of this video. Okay, so the atavism, I'll explain you what is a atavism. Atavism. Okay, atavism. So this atavism meaning is, so if you are taking a person like that is the Bodhidharma, the same movie concept only. Okay, there is so many certain character which is disappeared in the person or the plant or the animal, whatever it is. Some character or the few character which is disappeared during the evolutionary changes. Okay, why it is disappeared? Its phenotypic character only disappeared. So the phenotypic character corresponding DNA segments or the DNA genes which is present in the as such in the DNA of the genome. Okay, so there is no disappearance of the particular gene segments which is regarding or which is responsible for their particular character which was disappeared. Okay, so appo enna artham appadina, the character which is disappeared, sela character maranjirudhu eppo appadina sela generations ku, so and the character sela generation ku maranjirudhu, but and the character kuana DNA segments DNA genome kulla chromosome kulla apdiye dhaan irukum. Okay, ana ennawa irukum, inactive form la irukum. Okay, and the DNA segments and the genes வந்து disappear ஆகாது, genes அப்படியே தான் இருக்கும், பட் ஜீனோட ஃபங்க்ஷன் வெளியே, ஜீனோட எக்ஸ்பிரஷன் வெளியே இருக்காது. ஓகே, ஸோ அந்த மூவியில் என்ன பார்த்தோம், தட் இஸ் அவரோட கிராண்ட் ஃபாதர் ஆர் த கிரேட் கிராண்ட் ஃபாதர் யாரோ அவங்க ஜென்ரேஷனில் ஒருத்தர் இருந்து அந்த கேரக்டரை அது இந்த கிராண்ட் சன்னுக்கு வந்து அவங்க வந்து என்ன பண்ணுறாங்க, இன்டியூஸ் பண்ணுறாங்க. ஓகே, ஸோ தட் இஸ் தேர் டூயிங் வித் சம் டெக்னாலஜிக்கலி. Okay, so and also if you see the babies which is growing with the tail, right, sala babies sala tail oda parandirukku solluvaanga. Why? Because of you're all evolved from the monkeys only. So and the sala characters that is which is induced in that particular babies, that kind of newses you can see in the complementary biology books. And the mari books poningena you will be getting. So on the tail with the baby will be there, right? So on the tail with baby na enadhu evolutionary changes la the we are evaluated from monkeys to human, we know that, right? We knew, but and or evolutionary changes and the baby la sela genes வந்து activate ஆயிடும், like அதே தான் இங்க படிக்க போறோம். Okay, so what they are telling, this is the modification of, it is a modification of DNA structure, biological process, modification of biological process. Adu enna modification? That is disappearance of character for many generation, or you can say disappearance of character which lost through the previous generation. Okay, disappearance of character which lost through the previous generations through the evolutionary changes. You can write it as evolutionary changes. Only with phenotypically. Phenotypically na enna, character wise da avangulta vandu and character irukadu, I mean வெளிய expression wise, so adu illa, but adukana gene example enna sollalam appadina, like adena the same movie, he is a human, he is a powerful human. Okay, but his great grandfather vandu romba powerful, right? So and the powerful avarukku irundha and gene இவருக்குள்ளேயும் இருக்கு, பட் அந்த கேரக்டர் எக்ஸ்பிரஸ் ஆகல. பட் when the gene is get activated, he can become again an Bodhidharma. அதே தான். So when we are inducing that, induction நம்ம induction பண்றது நம்ம மோட்டிவ் கிடையாது. Induction of that gene. The gene எப்படி இருக்குல்ல? The gene is which is intact as such or inactive. Inactive formல அப்படியே முழுசா அந்த gene இருக்கு. Okay. Due to the fault in the genetic control. So all the gene expressions, all suppressions and expressions will be controlled by genetic control. Okay. So some fault in the genetic control, it may reappears their character. Reappearance of that particular character. Reappearance of particular character. Particular character which get reappear due to the fault in the genetic control. Okay. So this is the important mechanism you should know. In the plant, if you are taking a Hieracium, that is Hieracium physola is a famous plant which is showing a atavism. Okay, so it is a modification of biological process and disappearance of character for a many generation, or you can say in this way a disappearance of character which lost through the evolutionary changes. Only with the phenotypically. Phenotypically it is not expressed in the environment, but corresponding to that corresponding to that particular character, gene will be remaining intact as such, அப்படியே முழுசா உள்ள இருக்கு, but it is in the inactive form. Some fault in the genetic control, or it is if the chance to induce that, definitely the character it is reappearances. It may reappearances of the particular character, and this is very famous in the plant like Hieracium physola. This is about your atavism. Okay, thank you.